Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Iki Marsala. So for today's video, we're going to check out the YouTube estimated revenue of Anne Paris. And someone is requesting me to make a review to this channel. And as you can see, she has two badges of wisdom and badge of having 500 video uploaded on her YouTube channel. So as you can see, she has 685 video views on her YouTube channel and 119,000 subscribers with a total video views of 20,056,691. Country is Australia and channel type is people. User created May 17, 2012. Okay, medyo matagal na to guys. And total grade on Social Blade is letter B negative. Social Blade rank is 261,614. Subscriber rank is 194,016 and video views rank is 236,552 and country rank is 1,641. People rank is 31,325. And the subscriber gain for the last 30 days is 3,000, so higher of 200%. I guess mga 9 or I guess 20,000. And I don't know, I'm not sure. So mataas siya ng 200%. So ang estimated YouTube monthly earnings ni Anne Paris is $88 to $1,400 US dollars. So not bad. And video views for the last 30 days is 352,000. Mataas siya ng 4.8%. So magkano ba yung $88? So maliit lang yan. And yung kanyang 1,400 US dollars siguro na mga nasa ano ito, nasa 50,000 kasi yung exchange rate here in Philippines is 48 pesos. So 1.4 yan. So siguro mga nasa 50 to 55,000. So I'm not sure. So yun yung kanyang, mababa lang yung kanyang estimated YouTube revenue. So meron siyang total subscriber weekly. So yung mga graph is there, and estimated yearly earnings of Anne Paris is 1,100 US dollars to 16,900 US dollars. So medyo malaki-laki na din ito kung susumahin. So siguro yung mga 1,000 niya is nasa mga $45 to 46 45 no. Siguro na mga sa 50,000. Hindi yung 16,000 niya, and medyo malaki-laki yan. So anyway, hindi naman lahat ng nakikita nyo dyan is yan talaga yung kanyang in-earn sa kanyang YouTube channel. Those are estimated revenue, and no one know how much she earned on her YouTube channel. So thank you very much for Social Blade. At least we have a reference and meron tayong idea kung magkano talaga yung kinikita ng isang YouTuber sa kanyang YouTube channel. So ang kanyang total video views weekly, so yung graph niya is tumataas, bumababa. So merong pagkakataon na mataas yung kanyang video views and meron din namang hindi. So hindi naman puro pataas lang din yung kanyang video views. May sometimes meron ding bumababa, and lahat ng mga YouTuber is ganyan ang experience. So malaki na rin yung meron kang hundreds of thousand video views sa iyong YouTube channel. And of course, yung estimated nun is hindi man ganun kalaki. And big shoutout kay Anne Paris. I hope you watch this video, and for those who are not yet connected to Anne Paris, guys, you can go and connect, show love, connect, and thank you very much to Mind's Journey for giving me a chance to make, or for suggesting me to make a review on this channel of Anne Paris. So kung makikita nyo yung kanyang estimated earning video views, subscribers, yung mga date na in-upload yung mga videos niya is Para sa akin, mabababa lang yung estimated revenue niya or estimated earnings ni Ann Pares. So, pero, ano lang yan, every video lang to. So, kung pagsasamahin to or ipagko-combine lahat ng earnings niya every day or every video, malaki-laki na rin. So, kita siya ng small YouTuber. Ganon. So, pwede na rin tong, pwede na din tong revenue na nakukuha niya sa kanyang YouTube channel kaysa naman sa walang ginagawa, di ba? So para lang sa akin kasi maraming mga tao ang sa panahon ngayon ang walang trabaho. So malaking bagay na rin itong merong ganitong estimated revenue, and may times din naman malaki yung kanyang video estimated revenue. Meron siyang na-reach na $105. So kapag kinunbay niyan, malaki-laki na rin dyan. So kung yung kanyang last 30 days na average, kung meron siyang $88 to $1,400, siguro mga kalahati nun. For example, yung $500 to $700. So malaki-laki na din yung 700. Hindi na yung eksaktong $1,400 kasi this is just an only estimated, and wala pang nakakakuha ng eksaktong nakalagay dito sa estimated yung totoong nakuha niya sa kanyang YouTube channel. Ano lang to, hint or idea lang kung magkano talaga yung kinikita. And chinek ko din naman yung mga videos ko, parang ganun din, parang it's over estimated to si Social Blade. Well, anyway, yung mga video views naman natin ay hindi naman iisang bansa lang ang pinanggalingan. Yung iba yan is galing sa bansa na mayroong matataas na CPM like USA, Canada, Australia. Ayan. Pero kung mas maganda kung maraming nanonood sa mga videos natin is galing sa Pakistan, kasi Pakistan is the number one or top country na mayroong mataas na CPM. Ayan, just sharing lang guys. So makikita niyo yung daily average, weekly average na estimated ni Ann Pares. Ayan, yung kanyang subscriber gain, video views, and of course, yung estimated revenue. And makikita din dito sa kanyang monthly gain video views, yung kanyang latest. So makikita niyo dyan yung December 2020, meron siyang 313,014 video views. Ayan, yung mga dot na yan is nagre-represent ng mga month na kung magkano talaga yung video views na nakuha niya sa kanyang YouTube channel. Ayan yung kanyang video views. So big shoutout kay Ann Pares, and of course yung kanyang monthly gain subscribers. So makikita niyo yung December niya is 2,000 yung nakuha niyang subscribers, and then November 2,000 also. Ayan, November, October. So parehas lang sila ng October, November, December, and then ng August is 1,000. So yun, that's for today's video guys. Don't forget to subscribe Ann Pares, and of course to my channel Ikim Rosales, and thank you very much to Mind's Journey for suggesting this YouTube channel.